Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect hosting your domain to Shopify. But before that, you can also save 20% off Hostinger when you use the link down below in the description. Now let's go back to our tutorial. First up, log into your Hostinger and also to your Shopify. So once you've done logging in, now here in your Shopify, just need to go to the settings right here at the bottom left corner of your screen. So once you click on this one, you'll find this side menu right here. So scroll down and then we're gonna find the domains. So click on this one. Now here you will see all your current domains connected to your account. Now here you just need to click on this connect existing domain. And then here we're gonna enter the domain that we want to connect. So basically the Hostinger domain. So go back to this Hostinger and then we're gonna copy this domain name right here. Now when you go back to Shopify, add www that and then paste the link and then click on this next button. So as you can see here, we have added the domain. Now let's add some records to Hostinger. Now, we will leave the copy of records at the description. So you can paste it here on your Hostinger. So basically, go to Manage button right here on the main. And then here on the settings here, on the side menu, click on this DNS name servers. And from here, you'll find all the DNS records. Now, what you're going to do here first is to delete any current cname records and any current A records. So here just need to delete some cname records, for example right here. So we're gonna click on the delete button to remove here on the DNS records. So again, find the cname, click on delete, and also the current A users or servers. So we're gonna delete that one. And then here, once you're deleting all of the cname and A type, we're gonna go and add some DNS records. So here basically, here on manage DNS records, so we're gonna change the type. And here, click on drop down menu. And then we're gonna change the type A to cname. And here on name, change it to www. And here on target, basically just need to paste the DNS records that we copied earlier. So we're gonna copy this one and then paste it here on this box and click add record. So we're gonna do that again on the next record here. So basically type A and then the name is at and it points to. So we're gonna go back and then paste or copy here and then paste to the Hostinger website. So once you copy on this one, go back here and paste that link or number and then click add records. Now here, as you can see, we have added some DNS records here. Now let's go back to our Shopify store. And from here, for example, and you'll find here connecting your domain. So we're gonna click on this verify connection. And now you can see that your domain has been added to your Shopify domains. So just click on your domain, click on change domain type. So basically right here, and then click on the change domain type. I'm gonna choose primary domain. Once you've done, click on this change domain type and click on cancel. So that's how you basically connect hosting your domain to Shopify. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.